Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of giant robots and nuclear fusion. Specifically, we're talking about the ITER project, a massive international collaboration to build the world's largest fusion reactor. And get this, they've got a 36-ton robot that's taking over from the legendary Godzilla robot. But here's the twist. This new robot isn't just about brute force. It's about precision and finesse. So what's the story behind this colossal machine? Let's find out. First things first, ITER is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in nuclear fusion. It's a massive undertaking, involving over 30 countries and a budget in the billions. The goal is to create a sustainable source of clean energy by harnessing the power of the sun. And that's where the robots come in. They're not just there to do the heavy lifting. They're crucial for the delicate assembly process inside the reactor's chamber. Now imagine a space where every hair's breadth matters, and a single mistake could set you back years. That's the world of nuclear fusion. The ITER reactor's chamber is a high-stakes environment, and the robot's job is to handle the trickiest maneuvers with near-surgical accuracy. We're talking about positioning nearly 20,000 bespoke parts with tolerances as thin as a human hair. It's like a watchmaker's job, but on a colossal scale. The robot, weighing in at a hefty 36 tons, is designed to work alongside humans. It's not just about strength, it's about precision. Engineers and robots are training together, following a rolling wave plan that keeps work moving in parallel. This means that while one area is receiving a layer, another is jumping to the next task, cutting down on idle time and speeding up progress. It's a well-choreographed dance, and it's all about getting the reactor core assembled with millimeter-perfect accuracy. Now let's talk about the tech behind this robot. It's not just a brute force machine. It's a technological marvel. The main telemanipulator is provided by CNIM Systèmes Industriels. The 36-ton blanket assembly robot is engineered by Larsen Toubro, and Metromecánica brings automated metrology. These machines can see and feel, blending accuracy with speed in tight quarters. It's like having a team of super-skilled watchmakers, but on a much grander scale. But why all the fuss about a 36-ton robot? Well, it's all about the future of energy. ITER aims to achieve first plasma by around 2035, when they'll test sustained fusion conditions. This is where the grit meets the geometry, and a daring energy vision becomes tangible. It's a massive undertaking, and the robot plays a crucial role in making it all possible. So there you have it, folks. A 36-ton robot, a precision assembly process, and a quest for clean energy. It's a fascinating blend of engineering, science, and ambition. What do you think about this colossal robot? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.